Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys didn't know, my name is TJ, and this video will be basically based on me cleaning both my master and my guest bathroom. I decided just to film a video dedicated to both these bathrooms because it takes a lot to clean them. So this is going to be my bathroom edition. So please enjoy this video. I hope it motivates you to clean your home as well. I want to welcome all my new subscribers, and I'll see you later on in the video. So guys, the bathroom is fully cleaned. As you can see here, I decided to switch up this guest bathroom a little bit. If you remember from my spa bathroom video, I had my shelves and all that. Unfortunately, I had contractors in my apartment, and they basically you know, ripped the shelves off the wall. I was upset, but it is what it is. So I closed up the holes and rearrange the bathroom a little bit. I hope you guys like. So let's move on to the master bathroom. I tend to get makeup in the crevices of my countertop, so I have to go in with a toothbrush and kind of remove all that, you know, foundation and highlighter and all that good stuff. So guys, this is it. This is the end of my bathroom clean with me edition. I hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video and my channel as well, and I see you on the next video. Bye.